So presently we are discussing about the 4 variable sum of product boolean function simplification using the K-maps, and previous video we already discussed about the many examples, and here I am presenting some other examples related to the 4 variable K-map simplification. Okay, so let us go to the first problem. The first problem here is sigma small m of 2 3. You have to select them 2 3 5 7 8 9 13 15. So this is our these are the terms selected in the given question. So let us do the mapping now. Whenever you go to the mapping, let us first you solve the cells which are easily can able to map. Here when I go to this problem 5 7 13 15, we can able to easily create the map of 4 cell. Okay, now 4 cell group has been completed, and the remaining how many are pending? Here 8 9 is not in the mapping, 3 2 are also not in the mapping. Now let us think about the 9 cell. So 9 cell can able to take the map of 13 also. Okay, but this will create the overlap group. So but we should not take it will take the overlap group of 2 cells, but rather if you go for this kind of combination 8 and 9, individually the 2 cell group can created without overlap. Okay, with overlap also you are creating the 2 cell grouping, without overlap also we can able to create the 2 cell grouping. Now our preference should give when to the without overlap first priority. In case not possible, then only you go to the overlap. Okay, now here we have taken a 2 cell grouping with the 9 and 8 without overlap. Now let us go to this one. Here also we can able to create the with overlap for 3 and 7. We can able to create the group with the 3 cell combination. But if you go with without overlap, here also we can able to create the 2 cell grouping with 2 and 3 min terms. Okay, now this is a grouping for given question, and you know that how to write the answer. There is an answer for this one, there is an answer for this one, and third one. So what is the answer for this 4 cell grouping red border one? So answer will be who are common. In this A is not common, B is common, and D is common. The answer will be B, D. Okay, now come to this one 3 and 2. Who are common? 3. A is not A dash is common, and B dash is common, also C also common. A dash, B dash, C is common. Then last one 8 9 group. So who are common? 8 9. A, B dash is common, as well C dash also common. A, B dash and C dash also common. So now this is an answer for the given question. Let us go to the next one. So next group about 0, the selected values are 0, 2, 4, 6, 9, 11, 13 or 15. And this problem also somewhat important, and the grouping process also confusing thing. First initially you go to the group which are very easy one. So here I am going to create a 4 cell grouping with 9 11 13 and 15. Now this one has been completed. Let us go to the 0 and 4 cell. So maybe you can able to think that we can able to create the group as a 2 cell group, and here also we can able to create the 2 cell group. But if you think as a folding paper edge grouping, we can here also we can able to create the 4 cell. Also we can able to create the 4 cell grouping. If you fold the paper vertically, say then what could be happen? 0 1 0 2 will touch one to each other, and 4 6 also. If you fold this let us consider this map is a one paper. You fold it vertically, then what could be happen? 0 2 will touch and 4 6 will touch, so that we can able to create a 4 cell grouping. Okay, now this concept already I have explained with many examples in a previous video. Okay, this is a group for the second problem. Let us go to this next problem. Next problem is 0 2 0 2 5 7 8, 10, 13, 15. Okay, fine. So now this problem also very important. Here easily we can able to create a one 4-cell group. Okay, then after that we need to think about the 0 to 8, 10, but we already know that I have explained this concept. If you fold the paper in two levels, take a one fold, again you take the one another level of folding, then what could be happen, these four corners are touch one to each other, and this is only a special mapping. You must be remember the corners also will create a one reduction in the mapping, so that we can consider the corner mapping. Okay, so almost I have explained the all possibilities when you create the mapping in a 4 variable. So this is also one of the mapping. If you fold the paper two levels, then what could be happen, these four corners are touch one to each other, so that we can able to create a one mapping. So that here 0 to initially if you don't think that maybe here there is a one possibility like a 0 to 4, 0 to 4. Again we can also create the 8 to 10, but rather if you go to the folding of two paper in a two levels, then what could be happen, the corners of this map can able to create a one 4-cell grouping. So this is one corner, this is another corner, and but in this case all corners should be select. In this case all corners should be select, four corners should be select, then only we can create the that 4-cell corner grouping. Otherwise we cannot create. If 8 is not selected, we cannot create the corner grouping. If 0 is not selected, then we cannot create the corner grouping. 4 cells should be selected as a all corners, then only we can create the corner grouping. Okay, now there are two groups are created, 2 or 4-cell grouping. One group is created by using the corner, another group is created in the middle group. Okay, now let us write the answer for them, and it is very easy one, but you must be remember the how to create the corner, and the point you remember, all corners should be select, then only you can able to create the corner grouping. Okay, then you can also take the corner grouping, you combine them when you write the answer. Okay, and combining all 4 cells, and here I want to write the answer. What is the answer for the corner cells? A is not common, B dash is common, as well as a D dash is common, so that answer will be B dash and D dash. Okay, B dash and D dash. Then next one, in middle group who are common, A is not common, B is common and D is common. Answer will be B, D. So this is the answer for the given question. Let us go to the next one. Next one, 5, 7, 5, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9 and 13. So whenever you come to this problem, in many ways we can able to create the solution for that. So let us, you already know that some kind of Boolean function will produce the more than two results, but all could be accepted. Let us take this one. Here I am creating a group with let us consider you may be create the group in this way. Okay, okay, first I have created the 5 and 13, and next I create the group with these two. After that, who is not in the group, only 5 or 7 is not in the group, so that you can map with overlap. Now this is a grouping for the next 4th question. Okay, now let us go to the next problem. 1, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 15, and here also this problem is very important. See here, whenever come to this problem, here we can able to create a one group of 4 cells. So then let us think about the ones which are not in the group. Now I am thinking about this one. What are the alternates to create the group for this M1 cell who are adjacents? The adjacents are become 0, 3. If you fold, another adjacent is become a 9, but these 3 are not selected. What is my alternate? The alternate is become only overlap with that 4 cell group. So take a overlap. So here I am taking the overlap with the 4 cell grouping, that is the 5th M5 cell. Okay, now one group has been completed. Now one overlap with one overlap. Now let us think about the sixth one. Now sixth one who are adjacent, 2 is adjacent, 7, 14 are also adjacent, another one is 4, but these three are not selected, and 7 also one adjacent, but it is already in the group. Now what is our alternate? We need to take with the overlap. Yes, overlap is another overlapping. So here I am creating a one group with overlap 6 and 7, and 2 are completed. Let us go to the 11. In this 11, see, adjacents are 9, 10, and if you fold it, 3 also adjacent and 15 also adjacent, but 9, 10, 3 are not selected. So what is my alternate? With overlap you can create a group with 11 and 15. The next one 12. So in this case also, there is no alternate, we have to take the overlap. Now then what could be the answer? Here you must be remember that in any group, if all cells are overlapped, then it is not a prime implicant. It is not a prime implicant, and no need to consider in the answer. This point you must be remember. In this K-map, the black circle group is how many cells are available? 4 cells are there, and 4 are overlapped with the different other groups. So that this is not a prime implicant. This is not a prime implicant. Here you have to write as this is not a prime implicant. Not a prime implicant, and no need to consider in our answer. No need to consider in the answer. You must be remember this point. In case in any group all cells are overlapped, then it should not be considered in the answer. It is not a prime implicant. The prime implicant is nothing but even one group should be not to be one cell should not be overlapped. Then only it is called as a prime implicant. Okay. Now who are become a prime implicant for this group? And this one is a prime implicant. Yes. This one is a prime implicant. Okay, you can take this answer, and this one also prime implicant. You can consider in the answer, and this one also one group, because here 2 cells are grouped. One is left with without overlap. Here also 2 cells are grouped, and one is left with without overlap. And red color group also consider in the answer. Okay. Now answer will be come from these 4 groups of 2 cells. Okay. Now let us go to the let us go to the another alternate. Here I am not present the question. In case in this question let us consider the question is not there, but here I want to explain the respective alternates. But 11 is not selected, 12 is selected. In this question 11 is not selected, then what could be happen? So let us take the same question. Consider that 11 is not there. Then what will be the grouping? Okay, here I am creating the group of 4 cell, and one this is a overlap 1, and another overlap will be with 6 and 7. One another overlap with 12 and 13. Now see, in this problem is not presented in the list, but I want to explain what you mean by the prime implicant. When I come to this problem, here there are 4 cells are created here one group, but apart from that 3 are overlapped. One is not in the overlap, so even one is left with the without overlap, then it is become a prime implicant. It is a prime implicant. You can consider in the answer. It is a prime implicant. Okay, prime implicant, because one cell is left with the without overlap. So that you need to consider that answer. What is the answer for that cell? A is not common, B is common, and D is common. So that BD is become an answer. You can take into the answer, and another 3 also will consider in the answer, because there are 2 cells are created in the group, and one cell is not in the overlap. Okay, this is the difference between the prime implicant to the non-prime implicant. In previous example, what could be happened? That 4 cells are overlapping this corresponding question. Now we should not consider that group into the answer. In case one cell is left with the without overlap, then we can able to consider in the answer. Now that is also become a prime implicant. So that is a different. You must be understand this. Okay. The next problem about Next problem 1, 4. Here almost all problems are very important, and the grouping will confusing you. 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12, 13, or 15. Okay. In this group, how we can simply you select the one group which are easy one. So the first easy one, if you look into the problem, first easy one, according to my perception, identify that this is a easy grouping. Somebody can identify the another group as a very easy one. What is that? So this is also one kind of easy group. Here I can able to create the 4-cell grouping. Yes, you can able to create the 4-cell group. 4-cell group, 2 4-cell groups are created. Then what about the remaining ones? There are who are left over here, 6 and 15. So you create a one group. Okay, 6. Who are adjacent for the 6? 7 is adjacent, 2 is adjacent, 14 also, and another one is a 4. So that normally 7, 14, 2 are not selected. What is the alternate adjacent? 14, 4 will become adjacent, but it is already in the group. So but you need to take in with overlap. Okay, you can able to take into the overlap. Okay, now let us think about the 15 one. So there is no alternate. We can able to create only with overlap. In this example, you must be understand one point. The point is that the 13 cell is overlapped created in the overlapped 3 number of times. One is with the blue, maroon and orange. 3 times it is going to be overlap, but even it is a consider as a one part of a group. One cell can able to get overlap any number of times. There is nothing issue about the number of overlaps. But the thing is that in this maroon color group, how many cells are there? 4 cells are there. Apart from that, 3 are get overlapped and one is left with the without overlap. Now it is a prime implicant. We can take into the answer. Now here also in blue color, 2 are overlap, 2 are left with the without overlap. So we can take into the answer. And this one also one answer, and this one also one kind of reduction, and we can consider in the answer. Okay. Now let us take the another problem. Another problem which is somewhat related to the same one. Here I am taking that problem. In case 1, 1, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13 and 14. In case these terms are selected, then what could be the answer? You must be understand the difference between the previous problem to the current problem. So here 1 is selected, 5 is selected, 6 is selected, 7 selected, 11 selected, 12 selected, 13 selected, and 14 selected. So instead of that 11, let us consider 9. Here in case it is a 9, then what could be happen? What is the answer for that? There is a 9. Then what is the answer? So 11 is not selected. Let us consider if it is a 9. And here also not 7 if it is a 6. If it is only 6. 1, 5, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 4 also there. 4. Okay. Now what will be the answer for this question? Now easily we can able to create a one group of mapping with a 4-cell grouping as like a previous example. Here I have selected. Next one, this is a one another group. Okay. Next one, 6 and 14 will get overlap with the 4 and 12. So you create that group. Okay, you create that group. And now then what could be happen? What is our grouping? What is the answer for this problem? So here there are green color group, and another one is a square shape maroon color group. In this group is square shape group. 4 cells are there. 4 are overlap. One is with the this column group. Another one is a edge mapping. Okay, so 4 are overlap. Now it is not a prime implicant. Simply you can write, you no need to consider in the answer, because in that square shape group all cells are get overlap with the different kind of other groups. Okay, not a prime implicant. I no need to consider in the answer. Not a prime implicant. Okay, no need to consider in the answer. No need to consider in the answer. The answer will be, the answer for this question only 2 groups. Who are there? The 2 groups are, one is green color circle group, another one is a column group. Okay, here I am writing the answer for only 2 groups. Now what is the answer for this group? That answer for this group will be, who are common? A is not common, B is common, and D dash is common. So here you write B is common and D dash is common. The answer will be B, D dash. Next answer for this rectangle group. Okay, the answer will be C dash D. Okay, so this is the difference you must be remember. So here I want to explain the difference between the one problem to the another problem, how the students are get confusing. Now you have to remember the only few things which are getting confusing you, like such kind of non-prime implicant. Okay, this is a non-prime implicant. You should not consider in the answer. Okay, let us go to the next example. So next example about 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us select them. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 0, 1, 2, 6 also there. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. So it is also somewhat important one. Here we cannot create the some groups like a 16 cell group, because 5, 7, 13 are not selected, but here we can able to create the some 4 cell grouping. Now because here I am creating some wrong grouping, but as like a thinking of a student, when they are solving the problem, they may be go for 4 cell grouping. They may be go for the 4 cell grouping, and this will also will get into the one group. Okay, and this also will get into the one group, but this grouping is going to be wrong for your solution. So there, here with the folding of a paper horizontally and vertically, we can able to create a group of 8 cells. So if you fold the paper horizontally, then what could be happen? So these 4 cells and touch to these 4 cells. Now here we can able to create the 8 cell grouping. If you fold this paper horizontally, then what could be happen? 0, 1, 2, 3 touch with the 8, 9, 10, 11. Now here you can able to create the 8 cell grouping. The next grouping will be again, if you fold this paper vertically, then 2, 0, 6, 4, 12, 14 and 8, 10 will touch to one to each other. So here you can able to create the another 8 cell grouping. Okay, so this is the answer for the given question. There are 2 groups are created, 2 or 8 cell grouping. Okay, now let us go to the next problem, and you write the answer for this one. What is the answer for this group? So answer for the first green color group will be green color group, and who are common? These two column edges. A is not common. Only D dash is common, so answer will be D dash. For this maroon color group, which one is common? Maroon color group, the common value will be B dash is common. B dash is comma. So this is the answer for the given question. Okay, now let us go to the next problem. Zero one, who are selected? 0 1, 0 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All are these are the selected terms in the given question. Now how to do the mapping? Now here I am going to select the 8 cell grouping. Easily you can understand it. 8 cells are selected. Okay, fine. Now let us think about the cells which are not in the group 8, 9, 10, 11. If you fold the paper horizontally, then what could be happen? So here also we can able to create the one another 8 cell grouping with overlap. So that here I am creating that. Okay, another 8 cell grouping. If you fold this paper, we can able to do the 4 cell grouping, 8 cell grouping. Okay, now let us go to the next problem. The problem 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, can you do the 12 cell grouping? Cannot possible, because all cells are selected, one part 12 cells are selected, all are consecutive one, but 12 cell grouping not possible. Okay, we should not do this kind of grouping. So 12 cells will not be create the group. What is our rule of the grouping? The rule of the grouping will be 2 exponential. 2 for 0 you can able to do, 2 power 1 you have to do, 2 power 2 you can do. Okay, 2 power 3 also you can able to do, up to the 2 power 4 for 4 variable K map. Okay, 2 power 3 and 2 power 4. For 2 power 0 nothing but 1 cell group possible, 2 cell group possible, 4 cell group possible, 8 cell group possible, and 16 for 4 variable K map. Accordingly here we can able to do only 8 cell grouping. 8 cell grouping. What is the next group? The next group will be 8 9 10 11. But if you take the overlap with the 12 13 14 15, here also you can able to create the another 8 cell grouping. Okay, for this group the answer will be A. For this group the answer will be B. Okay, for this group answer will be, who are common in these 8 cells? A is common, and who are common? 8, A is common. The common value for this red color group, B is common. Okay, A plus B is become an answer for that group. The next one about 0 1 2 sorry 1 3 1 3 4 5 7 6 9 11 12 13 14 15. So this is a group. Who are not in the group? 0 2 8 10 are not in the group. Now let us create the group for that question. So easily here we can able to create the 8 cell grouping. After that 4 12, maybe here there is an alternate that we can able to create such kind of group. But if you take the overlap with the 5 7 13 15, here also you can able to create the 4 to 8 cell grouping. If you consider the overlap, here also you can able to create the 8 cell grouping. Without overlap, how many cells are getting into the group? Only 4 cells are getting into the group without overlap. But our motto should be maximum cell grouping. Maximum cell grouping without overlap, maximum cell grouping with overlap. With overlap also not possible, then go to the lower order grouping. But here if you consider the overlapping of 5 7 13 15, here also we can able to create the 8 cell grouping. Okay, so that is about the this problem. Next one is a 0 0 2 8 13 8 13 15. 8, 13 and 15. See here, in this group, you may be think that there is a chance of corner mapping. There is a chance of corner mapping, but in the what is the rule for the corner mapping? All corners should be selected, but here 10 is not selected, so you cannot group the corners. You cannot group the corners. Okay. Now the easy grouping is only one easy grouping, that is a 39, 15. After that you think about the cells which are not in the group. So if you fold the paper vertically, here you can able to create the one group. Okay, one group. After that you think about the 8 cell. Now for this 8 cell, is there any alternate with the 12 and 9? Not possible. Only one alternate for with the 0. So with overlap, here you can able to create a one group with overlap. Okay. The next problem, 0, 4, 6, 8, 12, 15. Okay, 0, 4, 8, 12, 14. Okay, fine. Here very easy one, directly here we can able to create a 4 cell group. After that, by folding of paper vertically, this one also create the one group. Now this is the answer for the last problem. For do the proper mapping, we have to practice more and more. Okay, so in the next video I will come with the new other alternate problems which are not covered in the previous videos and current video. Okay, thank you.